Okay, this has been a long time coming. This is a Paul C. Buff Celestial, and they're in the wild. It's 12523. And if you know the saga behind this flash, I don't know, maybe 4 years ago, Buff came out with their first battery-powered flash. And I remember the first time I saw it, in one of their videos, it was on a C-stand, big heavy C-stand. And of course that progressed to a big heavy light. Another promotional video, they said, they're doing a promotional video and it was a gal and she says, me and my team are going to go out in the field. And the problem with that is in my opinion, the link was just too heavy and what we need out in the field is we had to put this on a nano stand. So this is their second iteration of the battery-powered flash, and let's unbox it. Designed in Nashville, probably built in China. Want to save the box because I've sent flashes back to Paul C. Buff for repair. And it's nice to have the original packing with the foam and everything to send it back to. Okay, well that's what you like to see in a user manual that long. So yeah, it's this packing that's nice. Now I know F-Stoppers showed one. Here's a battery, definitely not too heavy. Our charger, that's not too heavy either or too big. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Here's the flash. Oh, it's beautiful. We can work with that. The dome. This is just an unboxing, so I won't talk about it too much. At least this feels metal down here. It's a nice size. You know, the thing about the Digibee is it has the antenna on it, and that makes it difficult for packing, and then difficult when when it's time to go, you got to match all those pins up and everything, and as I understand it, this one has an internal antenna. Battery on. Now, obviously, I hope that goes on easy. There it is. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, it's not too big. It's not small, but it's not too big. So that was the unboxing of the Paul C. Buff Celestial.